If you've been searching for a product that's reliable, efficient, and genuinely well designed, this is the one you need to pay attention to. This solution is gaining traction rapidly because it consistently provides smooth performance, high build quality, and effortless usability. Whether you're new to this type of product or highly experienced, the learning curve is almost non-existent. What stands out most is how effectively it bridges the gap between simplicity and performance. It works fast, it works cleanly, and it works exactly the way you expect it to, every time. Users across different backgrounds have praised its reliability and ease of use. Many have expressed surprise at how much value they received compared